Alright, here we are on the computer, and we are at our token website, toolboxtoken.com. And in the upper left-hand corner, here is our token logo, and the token itself is called Toolbox, and the symbol is DIY. And right now, we're currently in the pre-sale phase, as you can see right here, buy at pre-sale. And when the team and I were putting this website together, our number one goal was to make this as easy and user-friendly as possible. And that's where this comes from, as simple as grabbing your toolbox. And for those of you that don't know, we run a DIY YouTube channel filled with over 1,100 DIY projects already filmed and completed to date and available to you for your help. To the right, you see a play button, and this is me. And to the right of that, again, is our Toolbox token, aka DIY token logo. And for those of you watching, we definitely recommend checking out toolboxtoken.com and watching this video. We enjoy putting it together, and it's basically introducing us and the Toolbox token, aka DIY token's mission. Down below that, you see our story. In addition, our quick start guide, and coming way down here, here's our roadmap broken down into 4 phases. So again, if you're just joining us and you have not come across or heard about the DIY token, we definitely encourage you to check out toolboxtoken.com. However, let's go all the way back up to the top, and here is why we're here. Again, this is our website. We are going to select Connect Wallet. And you see 2 options, MetaMask and WalletConnect. MetaMask being the most popular Ethereum-based or used wallet. And if you have a MetaMask, awesome. We accept that right here on toolboxtoken.com. From here, we are going to select WalletConnect. And right away it shows a QR code, and if I come up here and select desktop, it shows 10 wallets. In addition, it has a search portion here. And what we recommend is grab your phone, open up your camera, reselect QR code. Next, position your camera directly on this QR code, and the link will pop up on the top portion of your screen on the phone. Go ahead and select that, and from there you'll have the opportunity to go through every single available and accepted wallet within the WalletConnect platform. And as you scroll through those, once you come across your wallet, you can go ahead and select it, and from there it will prompt you to log in, and you will automatically connect to our website. At this point, you have 2 options to purchase the Toolbox aka DIY token. You can either purchase it through the ETH option. For example, let's say I want to buy 0.3 ETH. At that point, you can buy tokens. However, let's zero that out. We are going to select ETH and select DIY token. This is an additional option. And for some of you out there, this might be the option you're looking for. Say, for example, you want a hard number of DIY tokens. Let's say, for example, 20,000 tokens, which at the current price comes out to only $6 or $7, maybe $8 tops. Again, that's at the current price of filming. From there, you'll click purchase, and at that point, the additional gas fees will be implemented. And if you have sufficient funds, the transaction will be approved, and you'll have Toolbox aka DIY tokens. I'll zero that out. And the remaining portion of this video, we are going to show you all 112 wallets currently participating in the WalletConnect platform. Let's take a look.